Today we're gonna do popcorn in the stack cooker, and we're gonna add a ½ cup of kernels. And as you'll see, it just basically coats the bottom in the microwave for 3 minutes, and listen for it to stop popping. It might take a little less or a little more depending on your microwave. Okay, we have it out of the microwave. Took 3 minutes, and the cool thing about the stack cooker is the handles stay cool to the touch, so you're not going to get burned whenever you grab it by the handles, but always open away from your face. That steam will be coming out, and there you have your freshly popped popcorn. So easy. Okay, we're gonna do a caramel sauce and make caramel popcorn. And I'm gonna take a stick of butter and then add a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. And mix those 3 items together. I'm gonna microwave it for 2.5 minutes, and then we're gonna stir it. And so I'm gonna cover this and put it in the microwave. Okay, this has been in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Mix it up. But back in the microwave, 2.5 minutes. All right, we did 2.5 more minutes. And as you see, it's got a lot more texture, bubbled up. And to this, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda and mix that in well. You see it kind of gets that caramely coating and color. And now what I'm gonna do is I have the popcorn here in a bag, in a paper bag. We're gonna put the caramel on top of that and fold it down and shake that up. So that it coats it really well. Gets around on all of the popcorn. Smells so good already. Okay. So this is so, let's see there, I'm gonna pull this down. Then I'm gonna microwave that for 1 minute. It up again, put it in the microwave for 1 more minute. Have all the popcorn, and I'm going to pour this out onto the silicone baking mat. I have that on a cookie sheet, jelly roll pan, and you just want to spread that out and let it cool. And just let it cool, and then you can serve. Very pretty.